Hello friends, this is me, Mahfish, your host. Welcome back to our channel Best Book for You. I hope you all are well and doing great. Today I'm back with another video to give a review on another book. But before we move towards the book, I want to tell you about this website that we have, which link is given just in front of you on the slide, which is www.bestbookforyou.co.uk. So this is our website on which you can find every best-selling book. All the books that I had reviewed on this channel and many more other books are also available. So if you are interested in buying this book as you wanted to read it or you wanted to gift it to your friends or family, you can buy it easily from our website. You can also get more or less on some selected books. So what are you waiting for? Just visit our website right now and check out your favorite books. In addition to these books, we also have this other website available on which you can find most of the daily used products. So if you are looking for any daily used product, you can check out from this website. Many discounts and offers are also available. To avail these offers, you can visit our website right now and then you can buy your favorite products. Our website is connected with this channel, so you will not find any difficulty to find this website. Okay, now let's move towards the book that we're going to see today is The Lessons in Chemistry by Bonnie Garmus. It's a captivating journey through the intricate world of chemistry, blending scientific insight with personal anecdotes and engaging storytelling. Garmus, a seasoned chemist, brings her expertise to the forefront, offering readers a comprehensive yet accessible exploration of the subject. One of the book's strengths lies in its ability to make complex chemical concepts understandable to a wide audience. Garmus adeptly breaks down daunting topics into digestible pieces. Clear language and relatable examples to demystify the principles of chemistry. Whether discussing the periodic table, chemical reactions, or molecular structures, she maintains a balance between depth and simplicity, ensuring that readers of all backgrounds can grasp the material. This book includes an exclusive author interview with Pandora's Skies. Your ability to change everything, including yourself, starts here from this book. Chemist Elizabeth Zott is not your average woman. In fact, Elizabeth Zott would be the first to point out that there is no such thing. But it's the early 1960s and her all-male team at Hastings Research Institute take a very unscientific view of equality. Forced to resign, she reluctantly signs on the host of a cooking show, Supper at Six. But her revolutionary approach to cooking, fueled by scientific and rational commentary, grabs the attention of our nation. Soon, a legion of overlooked housewives find themselves daring to change the status quo, one molecule at a time. This book has had a huge amount of marketing and appears to have sold a lot of copies, which is always great for the writer. This book is 386 pages, split into 46 chapters, which makes reading it very easy. So I started it, was amused to say that this is the number one book in the feminist criticism category. The story starts with Elizabeth as a mother, scientist, and TV presenter, juggling her commitments in a way that was unusual for the 1960s. We then go back 10 years and begin to understand how she got where she is now. Whilst appearing to be light on the surface, the book quickly moves to much darker territory, showing the abuse that was accepted as normal. That sums up the beauty of this book. It has an unforgiving hardness at its center, but is wrapped but a thin layer of social predictability, making it accessible to read. There is a balance of comedy and serious issues that also makes the book fun. Elizabeth as a character is hard to believe, and I thought the author could have softened her more, but let yourself go with the depiction, and she is a great focus for the novel. The story has a big build up before we actually get Elizabeth on TV. This feels like a long time, but is necessary as it sets the scene. Everyone in the book is a remarkable person for all sorts of reasons. Even 630, the dog, who is taught to recognize hundreds of specific words. Getting further into the book, I became more and more aware of how deep the topic is. There is a lot of thought around the equality messages, and you can't help but make comparisons to today's society. Some problems have been reduced by the legislation and gradual society change, but many issues are worse than ever. Women appearing on TV today would say that their looks are analyzed more than ever before, with the possibilities of feedback not limited to phone calls and letters. Ending of novels are hard to get right, but this one is perfectly achieved. There is a lovely amount of emotion mixed in with a good balance of well structured plot. Beyond its educational value, Lessons in Chemistry also shines as a narrative driven work. Garmus weaves her personal experiences and anecdotes throughout the text, adding depth and context to the scientific content. Her passion for chemistry is palpable, infusing the book with enthusiasm and energy that keeps readers engaged from start to finish. Moreover, the book offers practical insights and applications of chemistry in everyday life, demonstrating the relevance and importance of subject beyond the confines of the laboratory. Overall, Lessons in Chemistry is a compelling and enriching read that educates, entertains, and inspires. Whether you are a seasoned chemist or someone with a passing interest in science, this book offers something for everyone, making it a valuable addition to any library. So, this book is going to be very helpful to achieve some important information that will be very helpful in your lives. So if you wanted to buy this book, you can visit our website. I'll be back with another video with another book. Till then, just take care and goodbye.